Assalamu alaikum student, hopefully you all will be fine. We are going to start a new topic from class 9, subject chemistry, chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is Structure of Molecules. Major concepts of this chapter are: why do atoms react, chemical bonds, types of bonds, intermolecular forces, nature of bonding and properties. The topic of the day, which covers the page number 63, why do atoms react? The main points of this topic are: noble gases, that are also known as inert or rare gases, electronic configuration of noble gases, stability of atoms, octet and duplet rule. We are going to explain it one by one. The first point of this topic relates to the noble gases. So here are the two questions arises. The first one is, what are noble gases and why they are called inert or rare gases? So let's find the answer of these questions. What are noble gases? Noble gases are the elements which are present in the 8th A group of the periodic table are called noble gases. For example, helium, neon, argon and krypton, etc. All of these are elements present in a 8th A group of the periodic table, and that's why they are also known as the zero group elements. Now we will discuss why they are known as rare or inert gases. The noble gases, they are present in a atmosphere in a very little amount, so that's why they are known as the rare gases. Inert means the inactive or stable elements. They are inactive because they do not participate in chemical reaction, so that's why they are exist in a monoatomic form like He, helium, Kr, krypton, etc. Why these gases do not participate in chemical reaction? Look into the electronic configuration of noble gases. Here are the three first members of the noble gases and their electronic configuration. So look at the first atom, helium, that is represented by He. Its electronic configuration is 1s2. Second one is neon with the atomic number 10, and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6. And the third atom, that is known as the argon, and its atomic number is 18, and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6, 3s2 and 3p6. You can see the Bohr's atomic model of all of these atoms. So look at the helium atom. You can see that it contains only the one electronic shell and it contains the 2 electrons in it. The second atom of neon, it contains 2 electronic shells and having the 8 electron in its outermost shell. The third atom is known as argon, and its electronic shells are 3 and it contains the 8 electrons in outermost shell. Note that all the outermost shell of each atom is completely filled. So that's why they are inactive and do not participate in any chemical reaction. So here is a question that what happened with the other molecules that do not how they participate in a chemical reaction, and how they form the molecules, and why the atoms undergo chemical reaction. To find the answer of this question, a chemist G. N. Lewis in 1916, he used these facts to explain why atoms undergo chemical reaction. He called his explanation as octet rule. Now we define what are the octet and duplet rules. Octet means the set of 8, and duplet means the set of 2. We can define the octet like this. The tendency of atoms to achieve or acquire 8 electron configuration in their valence shell when bonding is called octet rule. For example, chlorine, oxygen, sodium and magnesium, etc. They all obey the octet rule during their formation. Now we will explain the sodium atom. Here is a sodium atom that contains the 3 electronic shell and it having only the 1 electron in its outermost shell. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. On the left side there is the neon atom. There is a neon atom. Neon atom contains the 8 electron in its outermost shell and the electronic configuration of this 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6. Sodium atom wants to attain the stability like the neon gas. It will lose the 1 electron and attain the electronic configuration like the neon gas. Look at this. The electronic configuration of the sodium atom after losing the 1 electron becomes 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6. So in this way it will participate in chemical reaction and attain the stability like the neon gas. The second rule, that is known as the duplet rule. The tendency of atom to acquire 2 electron configuration in their valence shell when bonding is called duplet rule. For example, helium, that is a noble gas, hydrogen, lithium and beryllium. So look into the structure of the both atoms. Hydrogen, that contains only the 1 electron in outermost shell and its electronic configuration is 1s1. Second one is the lithium. It has 2 electronic shell and the 1 electron is present in its outermost shell. Its electronic configuration is 1s2 and 2s1. Look at here. This is the structure of the helium atom and this is a noble gas. It contains a 2 electron in outermost shell and its electronic configuration is 1s2. So when the hydrogen gains the 1 electron, its electronic configuration becomes 1s2 like the helium gas. On the other hand, lithium when lose the 1 electron, it will attain the configuration like the helium gas. So in this way, the atoms when they lose or gain their electrons, they attain the configuration like the noble gases. So student, I think you understand better that why the atoms undergo chemical reaction and why atoms do react. Now we have some home tasks for you. Do the self-assessment of 4.1 from page number 63 and 64. Define noble gases and why they are not reactive. How elements attain stability. Explain importance of noble gas electronic configuration. State octet and duplet rule. The second 2 last questions are related to your exercise question. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.